Crypto Fan 316 and we're starting part 3 of Pokemon Sapphire version Nuzlocke Challenge. And here we go. So, last time we, beat May. Sorry for the blurriness. And we're gonna catch our first Pokemon. Let's see what it is. It's a Poochyena. Now what should I name it? Gotta catch it first though. Go for my Mudkip. Fight. I'm pretty high level, so I'm gonna go for the Mudslap. How do I? That's less blurry now, I think. I'm not sure if you can sorry for the blurriness. We're having technical difficulties. Go, Pokeball. Hey, oh, wait. Oh, go, Pokeball. Ah, failed. Trying to focus the image. Yeah. Ah. Oh, come on. My goodness, having technical difficulties and having technical difficulties on both the camera and catching Poochyena. There, I got the camera to focus. Yes, I caught it. Caught it. Yes. I hope this thing can learn cut. May I name it? What should I name it? Can't think of anything. There. Can't think of anything. Sorry for the lack of awesome name. Okay, so we caught our Pokemon, and I'm gonna heal, because I don't want that Pokemon to die. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna battle the trainers, and I'm gonna train the Poochyena some other time. Or I can use it as an HM slave, maybe. I'm not sure if Poochyena is a good HM slave. First trainer we battle, I think, wait no, Maze. Battle. So you battle this trainer, sends out a Zigzagoon, go for the dirt, go for the tackle, of course. Just tackling this thing. When does Mudkip learn Water Gun? I wonder. Yeah, that kid was no match for me. Okay, let's see which one. Bug? Battle Bug Trainer or run into all Pokemon? Well, Pokemon are annoying. So, I'm gonna battle this Bug Trainer. And I kill it. Hopefully. Oh wow, the name Rick is so original. Rickroll, whatever. Just kill this thing already. Oh shoot, my camera's running low on batteries. But who cares, I'm just gonna do the most I can. And if I get cut off, then at least let me reach the next gym. Or town or whatever. Oh no. We have like 1 bar left. Not even. Ah, my camera's running so low. I apologize in advance if it just cuts off. I don't know. Come on, up. I don't want to catch a wormhole, so I can actually evolve it and take it fly later on. Come on, oh my goodness, too much. I'm gonna have to end this short.